We have neutral grip pull-ups for overall back. I like to do at least 100 reps of each movement, so I'll break it up in any way possible, whether it's 10 sets of 10, 5 sets of 20, 20 sets of 5. It doesn't even matter. It all just depends on how I feel. Then we go to dips. Same thing. Elevated feet push-ups, activate the upper chest. And then stationary lunges for both sides. So this is usually, you could combine these moves in any way that you would like to combine them, or you can just do them one by one. If you want to have just a calisthenic routine, you could just stay with this, or you could even alternate the stationary lunges with squats. It's up to you, but it's a good way that I like to usually have a warm-up before I actually start weight training. So I usually do this if I have enough time, at least on my weight training days. I'll do this as a warm-up, and then I'll start working out.